On Docs.ServiceNow.com, we've added new functionality that can help you stay up to date with features that are interesting and relevant to you. When you navigate to Docs, you might see this message that suggests you sign in. When you sign in to Docs, you can now set your preferences to boost search results for the versions and products you use. You can also subscribe to topic pages to get notified when content changes. Let's go over these features now. Once you sign in from this window, you're taken to your profile, which shows your name, title, email, phone number, and location. This information is pulled from other ServiceNow sites that you visit, such as Community. In your profile, under the Search Preferences tab, you can select which versions you use and which products you have. These changes are saved automatically. Notice when we search for Discovery, we see Kingston results first and Jakarta results second, followed by the results in order from latest version to earlier versions. Because we selected Kingston and Jakarta, those results are boosted. If we turn off boosted search, the results refresh to show the most relevant results. This toggle will always be on the top of the search results page, so you can turn boosted search on or off. Also available in your profile is the ability to subscribe to topics. Here you'll see a list of all the topics you've subscribed to. Want to get updates when a specific page is updated? Simply navigate to that page and click Subscribe. If you go back to your subscriptions, you'll see that topic gets added to the list. When the topic gets updated, you'll get an email similar to this. Interested in PDFs instead of web content? You can still generate a PDF on the fly by clicking the More button and generating one topic, some topics, or the whole publication. Finally, we've added search tips below the main search bar to help you find the best results. Remember, be sure to log in to docs.servicenow.com to reap the benefits of these new features. And if you have any comments or feedback, please send us an email at docfeedback@servicenow.com.